Hey! So in this video I'm doing a quick rose quartz gel polish nail design. So first of all I'm going in with a very thin layer of Bliss gel polish from Trilogy nail systems. Unfortunately this colour is discontinued, so I highly recommend using Pashmina. It's a beautiful colour, a little bit more pigmented, so just be very careful when you're applying it. Press down on your brush and it means you apply less to the nail tip itself or to the nail. So once I've done that first layer, I've popped it into the lamp to cure, and I've gone in then with a striping brush with my white, which is Blanc from Trilogy nail systems again. And in my dapping dish, I've got some IPA, some gel residue remover, and I'm popping that on a brush and then using that to disperse the white gel polish. So make sure you don't have too much IPA in your brush, because otherwise it can make it a little bit messy. If you have got a little bit too much, just blot your brush onto your couch roll or your kitchen roll, and that will then help it not disperse so much. So once I've done that first layer, I've gone in then with another very thin layer of pink, and then going in, once I've cured that, then going in with my white again then, and using my IPA to disperse it again. So the way I've done it is I've done it in layers on this one. You can, if you want, do 2 layers of pink and then just go on top with your white. But I wanted it to have a bit of definition. So the white underneath is a slightly pinker tone, and then obviously as you get to the top, they are a lot whiter. So I'm sure it was 3 layers I did on this one. And as well, I did put another layer, excuse me, another layer of pink then on top. So with this one, I'm going in with my IPA again, and then just popping it into the lamp to cure. So make sure when you are doing this that you are popping each layer into the lamp to cure, because otherwise it can get a little bit messy, and you don't want to ruin your lines that you've done. So another thing, ensure that when you do apply your pink, you are applying it extremely thin. So as you can see there, well, I'm getting rid of a fluffy, I was pressing my brush down, so it kind of fanned the brush out. So it means then you're actually applying less gel polish to the nail itself. So again, going in with my white. So what I'm trying to do is find any sort of blank space there is where there's no other white, just adding just that little bit more, just to give it a little bit more depth to it. So you can, if you want, obviously not use so much IPA, so you can leave some of your lines quite heavy and quite bold, but what I wanted to do is create like a soft effect, so I have gone over every single line with my IPA. And then popping that in the lamp. I don't know whether this is my final pink. We'll see now. So popping a very thin layer of pink on, and then popping it in the lamp. You don't have to pop that last layer of pink on if you don't want to, it's all personal preference. I just wanted to pop another layer on. And then going in then with the Ultimate Gloss Top Coat from Trilogy nail systems. And here is the finished design. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.